a nail studio and I want to send new offer message to all my existing and new customer details whose details I already have in this Google Sheet. But now manually sending WhatsApp messages to each and every customer takes a lot of time, and creating a WhatsApp group is very unprofessional. That's where I automated this entire bulk WhatsApp messaging using WhatsApp broadcast technique. This technique allowed me to send bulk WhatsApp messages, that too with a safer option. And here I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you're going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So if you wish to learn about any of the features in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So I'm going to access the feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards that section, let me tell you that I've created a message template using which I'm going to send this bulk WhatsApp messages. And here I've created this template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Here if you wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly we are going to access this template section to see the template that I have already created. Here you can see number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. Let me show you the template that I'm going to use. Alright, so this is the template that I have created and I have attached the image with the message. Also, you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the WhatsApp messages in bulk. Here, if you want to learn how you can create this template process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section. And under broadcast, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on the Add Broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. First you select the type as broadcast campaign. Here for the name, I'm going to give the name as nail offer. Moving forward, then it is asking us to select the audience. So if you have an existing contact list, select the same from the drop down. If you want to upload a new CSV file, or you can say if you want to import new contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow to send the WhatsApp message, then select this upload a CSV file option. As you know that I have data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here and you are all set. For now, I'm going to use an existing contact list that I already have. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience option. Using this, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude some contact list or you can exclude some specific contacts from your list. Not only this, you can also exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. For now, I'm not going to exclude any. Then comes the message type. Here you can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. Let me select that. So this is my template, and here for the image, I'm going to attach an image with the message. Alright, so this is the image, and with this we have successfully selected our template over here. You can also make this template personalized by adding variables. For now, I've used the generic one. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to test this broadcast message. For that, I'm going to add my contact name and my number. Then we are going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see we have successfully received new message over here with the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast message as well. Now here it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time, and while selecting this date and time, make sure selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then here comes the automatic retry of failed contacts. By turning this button on, you can automatically resend this WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contact at a specific waiting time. For now, I'm going to turn it off, and then we're going to click on this add broadcast. You can see a new broadcast has been scheduled successfully. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same where you have date of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend this broadcast message by selecting this resend option available over here as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages for free. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.